No, Nottingham Forest 1, Arsenal 2. Mikel Arteta has got his first win away at Forest in 3 attempts. We scored 2 goals, went 2-0 up. It was a dead game of football. 3 shots target each. Some absolute howlers out there today. And then panic stations at the end after they got a goal back. Oh, my days. Round and round and round we go. However, we are only 2 points off the top, despite Liverpool having a game in hand. And then we have Liverpool at the weekend, Jez. That was kind of the starters before the main course this weekend, I suppose. And it looked like that today, didn't it?
No, absolutely. I mean, yeah, I mean, it was the first half was just a ball fest. It was I don't know what was going down. I mean, Newcastle, Nottingham Forest were terrible. They were terrible. You know, you were doing a watch along, I was doing a watch along with a Forest fan, you know, and it.
Big up Longhead Yeti.
Yeah, big up Longhead, man. Fair play. Both of us lost the plot at times, and it was great fun. It was great fun. But let's get back to it. The fact is, you know, I've been called out tonight. Oh, you're a grumpy old man because you just never want Arsenal to win. No, I want Arsenal to win. But what kind of performance was that? And before anybody calls me out on it, Lee, yeah, I've made the statement, right? You win ugly, and you do win ugly. But the point I'm going to put this right out there right now, when we won ugly under George Graham, we actually had players that could untie a defence. Rocastle, Alan Smith, players of that ilk, right?
Merson,
Mickey Thomas, people like that. Yeah, actually could intertwine and break a defence open. And that was winning ugly because we had a great defence.
Limper.
Yeah, tell me today, Lee, right, where was the class in that team?
And not only that, Jez, winning ugly is cool. That's great. Yeah, that's fantastic. And these fans that say, oh, but you have to win ugly sometimes, dismiss Simeone, by the way. But cool, that's another debate. Yeah. With the manager, George Graham, where we was winning ugly, how many trophies did he win in the years he was here? So his winning ugly resulted in winning trophies at the end of that winning ugly. Yeah. The fact that nobody knows, or not many people know, we obviously know, there'll be people in the comments that know, where we finished when we did a cup double in 93. Nobody cared where we finished. 2 trophies. Yeah. Now you dare put out there, oh, well, that was a poor performance. Oh, but you have to win ugly. Okay, cool. We'll go and get me Simeone then, because he's the best in the world here. Oh, no, what? No, he ain't won a trophy for 2.5 years. Round and round and round we go. The fact is, this ain't sustainable. Cool, we got over the line tonight. Fair play. Yeah, we've got a little bit of luck with the first goal. Nice finish for the second goal. But the second goal, yeah, came from a player who dropped another stinker. The same as the first goal came from a player who dropped another stinker. Our captain gets hooked. Yeah, and it was almost like they were doing just enough to cross the line tonight.
Yeah.
And that ain't sustainable, Jez.
You said it earlier, right? You said it earlier before you did the watch long. I hope their eyes aren't on the game at Sunday.
We said it on the pod. Yeah.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you can't play football like that, man. You've got to go 100% into that game. I knew that was going to be a tough game tonight. You know, we've got a crap record at the City ground. Yeah. I gave the facts when I did a show the other night. Yeah. And at the end of the day, you have to give it 100%. Yeah. Nottingham Forest are poor. They didn't set up at that first half how I thought they would. Second half, they started to expand out and we caught them on the break. And that was the only way we were ever going to beat them. But, you know, we don't need a striker, Lee. We don't need a striker. And we've got Gabriel Jesus, 3 yards out from goal, spoons it. I mean, come on, man. If that had been a top-class striker, that's in the back of the net. He only had to chip the keeper. What did he do? I mean, I'm sure you, me, I could have scored that. It was shocking. And the other one, he tries to backheel it. Right? First attempt, tries to backheel it. What do we do, man? Why have you got your back to goal? Why are you not?
Touches. These
Oh,
people are doing too many touches. Odegaard, Saka. The amount of balls Saka hit the first man with tonight was embarrassing.
yeah. Say
Martinelli will go under the radar, yeah, because he wasn't really involved in the game as much as Saka and Jesus. And Saka and Jesus are both scored, so that'll give him a free pass because that's how it works in modern football online now. Oh, but he scored, but we won. Just be happy. No, let's call it out the better players in the team when we have played badly but got the result. They're more accountable to criticism, yeah, than the players that we don't expect much from. 35, Zinchenko, for example. Yeah. I don't think he was that bad tonight. I thought he was half decent. He whipped some nice balls in the box. Yeah, but he will go under the radar because he didn't have much to do defensively. Yeah, whereas Saka and Jesus and Martinelli and Odegaard are our attacking four. That's our front line going forward. They're starting every week. They were crap. What did they create, Jez?
One thing I just want to add to that, if I may, right? Zinchenko for me tonight, I'm sorry, slowed it all down. Why is he intimidated? Why is he trying to copy what is on the Tottenham Hotspur badge? Why did he get the ball and stick his foot on it? And he slows it all down. He looks like a cock on a ball. It's boring.
Top spur.
I mean, come on. Yeah, why? He did it 5 times when he had loads of space around him. And he just puts his foot on the ball and he's standing looking. And I'm thinking, one time, Lee, he's on the edge of their 18-yard box and he's got his, I've got the ball. He's got Martinelli there. He's got Odegaard there, Rice, and he's just stood there with his foot on the ball. And he lets 4 Nottingham Forest players come to him.
Yeah.
What are you going to do now? What? You are not Messi, right? Sorry, you're not that levels. You're not Ronaldo. You're not that levels. Yeah. What are you doing, man? It was slow. It was ponderous. It was boring. And if I'm sorry, I have to say it. I'm going to put it out there, right? Yeah. Chelsea play, or it's Liverpool, Chelsea, Liverpool tomorrow night.
Liverpool at Anfield tomorrow.
Yeah. Right. And they're going to be up for that all day because Klopp's going, and that team are going to play to the death for that manager. And
Liverpool are spanking them tomorrow. They've drawn about 6 on the spin together, over the games. Liverpool are battering them tomorrow.
All day. And then we've got them on Sunday playing this boring, negative, predictable. On the watch along I did, I'm sure you did, right? Chatting to the Yeti, and we had the referee there, Tony Early Doors Football, right? With his yellow and red cards. Fair play to him, right? And he was like, I said, I'll guarantee you, Nottingham Forest will make a substitution. They'll make 2 substitutions, and I will even predict you the subs that Arteta will make. And I was 100%.
I predicted Forest and Arsenal subs. Yeah, and then as soon as they scored, he changed Reece Nelson and told him sit back down and brought on Jorginho instead of Reece. He was bringing on Kivior anyway. He was bringing on Kivior and Reece Nelson. As soon as they scored, he told Reece to put his tracksuit back on and brought on Jorginho.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I knew both subs, from both teams. Yeah, and the thing for me, Jez, like people are saying we're negative, we're toxic with this. I couldn't care less. The fact is, we're realists. Yeah, the league, people say the league doesn't lie. The league does lie. Yeah, we're a false image right now. Yeah, we're there. We're getting over the line. We're doing enough. Cool. We're getting the results on the board. It's great. Fantastic. Yeah, big up the away fans tonight because there was thousands of them there, by the way, and there was no trains apparently. Yeah, so big up to all of them. Right, but let's just be real with this. Yeah, there will be people out there saying you're negative, you're toxic, this and that. It'll be a different game against Liverpool. They're going to play football against us, so it'll be toe to toe. Okay, cool. Let's assume that is the case because, Liverpool will come and try and beat us because they know if they beat us, that's the final nail in our title charge.
Yep.
Right? Then it's just them and City. Nottingham Forest ain't got the quality to do that, which is why they parked the bus tonight. First thing I want to say, number 1, this manager don't know how to break down a low block. Nope. Number 2, why is it, when a team that is playing a low block gets the ball, 2 passes, they're gone. right? Number 3, Liverpool are going to go toe-to-toe. Cool. Who's got the better quality? Who's quicker in transition? Because we're statistically the second or third slowest in transition from back to front on the counter, and Liverpool are first. Yeah, they're the fastest team on the counter. Forget Salah, because he ain't playing. Now look at the manager. Now look at where we are in the league. Now look at Pep. Yeah, he's got Haaland coming back. We bottled an 8-point lead. This time last year, we were sat top, 7 or 8 points, 6 points, 5 points, whatever it was. Yeah, we are now 2 points behind the leaders. Man City have got 2 games in hand over us, and they're 3 points behind us. They got Burnley and Brentford as the games in hand, right? And we've got Liverpool next. We're finished by Valentine's Day.
Yeah. I mean, Liverpool, West Ham, Porto.
Don't rule out West Ham beating us.
Exactly.
The Declan Rice derby.
Yeah, he played great, didn't he, last time against West Ham?
Gave away a penalty.
Yeah, fantastic, man. And that guy, to me, I'm sorry, he is not fully fit. Because I watched him today. He was involved. He was jogging back.
Blowing and blowing and blowing. He was blowing. Yeah. Same with Smith Rowe, by the way. Yeah, Smith Rowe, I wouldn't say he dropped a stinker. If I was to rate him, I know you and Kenny are going to do the rating, so don't give it away. Yeah. If I was to rate Smith Rowe today, I'd give him a 6. He was just above average. Yeah, because he didn't really do a great deal. He had a shot over the bar, I think. Yeah, but he looked overweight and he looked not up to the level of some of the others like Odegaard or the Sakas and Martinelli's. But Martinelli, anyway, let's wrap this up. Make sure you
in Dubai, mate. He ate a lot of steak in Dubai. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody put in my comment section earlier, yeah, when it was 0-0 after about 60 minutes or whatever, saying the protein on the salt-based steak has run out. Big up to everyone who's tuned in, man. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. If I can squeeze it in the title, I will. If not, it's in the description. We're going to do Matty, Paul's, and then we're going to do player ratings with Kenny and Jez. Make sure you check out the fan cams. We're out. Arteta out. Adios. Ciao.